Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma TS6351. Now, to get to where the cartridges are, just along the side here you'll see there's two little recesses there. Don't go too high or it's the scanner. Just get your fingers in there, lift it up, and the top of the scanner bed supports its own weight. There's no struts or anything you need to keep it up. Now, the cradle moves along to the cartridge replacement position, and let's take a look inside. So as you can see, the cradle of the cartridges has moved along to a place where we can get to them unobscured by bits of plastic like this. So we just find the cartridge we wish to replace, press in the clip at the bottom, lift them out, get your new cartridge, slide it in, make sure you get it under that lip at the back, just apply pressure there until you hear a little click, and it's good. Now to get it back down, you don't push it, it's hydraulically kind of set in position there, so we just kind of lift, then release, glides down gently by itself. From here, your printer will take a second just to make sure it's happy with the cartridges. You may get a warning or two on screen if you've put in a previously used cartridge or you're putting in a Canon compatible cartridge, but regardless you can either press OK or just leave it a few seconds, and as long as it can actively recognise it, away you go. But that's about all there is to see. I hope you found this useful. If you have, if you could give us a like, that would be great. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.